Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Okay, gonna go for a put here at 44. Okay, got that. Very good. So got a put at 44. Option, that is. See what it wants to do here. I'm getting greedy here. I got greedy there and it may cost me. All right, break even. That went a bit too far against me. Borderline should have stopped out. I gave it a chance. And then when it gave me a chance to get out, I was still going for a full dollar move in my favor. Then I tried to get $50 in my favor, and I wasn't quite getting that. So I'm thinking, what am I doing? Like, I should be grateful just to get out break even on that one. And it may still work out. So, yeah, would have definitely had $50, and there would have been the $100. But I'm completely hindsight trading right now. So I should be grateful that, I was able to even get out at break even on that one. All right, well, not the greatest start. Not necessarily because it was just completely greedy on that one. Completely greedy. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 48 for a call. Well, at this point, let's do 47.50. Okay, we'll go to 46.70 now at this point. Try 46.50. Got close. So 46. I am doing options. I should have known that earlier. If you have no idea what options are, what's going on, let me know in the comment section. You should put guide, please, and I'll link you to a free class that I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through terminology and what's going on here. Options sometimes have a reputation of being very complicated, and they can be very complicated, but they don't have to be. And I take more of a simplified approach to them. So if that's kind of how you like to go about things, more of a simplified approach, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, just comment below guide, please, and I will make sure to link that to you. All right, I will throw an order at 47.30 now. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here, gonna get filled. I'm at 47.30. Close, close, close. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 47.50 here for a call. So the price needs to come down a bit more. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 47.50 here for a call. And it was close for a second. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm going to go for a call here at 47. All right, it's knocking on the door, so if I'm going to go to 46.10 now. Actually, no, let's do this. 45.70. Well, bounced right off that blue line. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go for 47.50 here. Got that. 47.50 call. And out for $50 on that one. Higher risk in the sense of, meaning why I didn't go for more. Because, yeah, I felt like it could bounce, and it is bouncing. And yes, I could be up basically $100 plus now, potentially at this point. But at the same time, yeah, you know, that was just a little sniper. Get in, play for a little bit of a bounce here. It did bounce, which is great. But, all right, I'll pause. So, nice little $50 trade there. Have an order at 49 here. For a put. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 44.50 here for a put. And I'm watching down here. So I want to see that get to 44.50, and then ideally this right here turns to green, which would mean I'm filled. All right, I will pause. Well, I'll keep it going. It's getting pretty jumpy, as you're seeing. Come on, a little bit more. Go 44.20. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. In at 44.20. And in at 44.20. Getting very jumpy. So just a $10 move on that one. Was not a good entry point. Sure, in hindsight, things may work out. Maybe I can play the game of I should have just held, but it just was not as smooth, not as good of an entry point as what I thought it was. So I had to factor that in and just reassess the situation. So if I want to get up to 455.30, I'd be interested. I'm gonna go ahead and change strike prices. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. So yeah, that first trade, I think maybe playing some mind games with me at this point. Because that first trade was just a wild one, got greedy on it, and then just, so I think I'm being a little maybe too paranoid now. I don't know, and I don't mean to stumble over my words, but again, this is happening right now, so I haven't had time to sit here and reflect on things and structure my thoughts. You're getting heat of the battle thoughts right now. So I don't have a full thought out conclusion on did that first trade kind of play mind games with you or not. You're more than welcome to let me know your thoughts on in the comment section. But I think that it did, or I don't know. Am I overthinking things? But, and again, I realize in hindsight, Clay, you should have held. You'd have been okay. And yeah, you're right. In hindsight, I would have been just fine. But one of those situations where, I mean, we're all really good traders in hindsight. But yeah, wow, this thing rolled over quite a bit. All right, I'll pause. Going to try for a call here at 53.50. Actually, I like this down here better. 460.50, so 2, so about 50.10. So we'll see if we can pull back to that blue line there. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 49.10 here. Actually, 48.70. Let's see if we can get this to come down a bit more. I will pause. Okay, I'm at 48.70. Still not filled. All right, let's go to 47.70 then. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 46.50. For a put. All right, we'll go to 44.50 now at this point. I will pause, but I'll keep a very close eye on it. I apologize. I got filled at 44.70, but I did not capture it on video as it happened too quick. So I have a put at 44.70. Again, it put at 44.70. And out for a $20 loss on that one. Yeah, this is just not. And I suppose in hindsight, I could have gone for break even on that one. Maybe even a small gain. Still would not have had my original profit target still. But yeah, I could have gotten a small gain. But that, again, once again, I'm just trading in hindsight here. Well, you know, these make sense on the chart, but the price is it's just not really caring about it in terms of the levels, these resistances. It's shooting through them, and now it's coming back, but the same time, just very difficult. So that's my struggle right now. Is it me, or is it just the price action here making things a bit more challenging? All right, I'll pause. Okay, going for a call here at 53. Oh, a little too slow as it now heads back up, so never mind. I'll pause. Have an order at 44.50 here for a put. Oh, I don't like that. What's up with the 40-cent spreads? All right, I got to change strike prices. If it's going to tighten up that much. What are these at? Yeah, there we go. 80, that's better. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 54.50 here for a put. I will pause. Okay, getting close again, maybe. All right, I'll pause. Okay, gonna go for a put here at 50. Oh, and that fast. Down it dropped. right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 49.50 to try to get out here. I'll explain what happened in just a second. Assuming I can get out at 49.50. Okay, once again, I'm getting greedy. At 49.30 now. Basically, I hit the wrong button, typed in the wrong order, and I got filled. Wasn't a terrible entry point, but not the entry point that I had intended. So right now, I'm just trying to get out. At 49.30 here, and out for $10. So that was a complete, not what I intended. But that was, in some ways, a good reminder. That was a pain to just get out for that $10 move. And again, this is not a big mover at all right now. So, all right, well, maybe that'll be the question. That first trade, is it the market or is it me? Maybe that'll be the title of this video. Is it the market or is it me? And you're gonna have to let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, because that one was me. But why did I have that? You know, not the numbers right. Am I in my own head? So yeah, I think that'll be a good title. Is it the market or is it me? Now, if this wants to come up some more, I am interested, but it needs to get up into the 455.20s. So that's what I meant to have, was 46.50 as an entry point, not where I got in. But all right, if it wants to shoot up, then I'll be ready. Have an order at 46.50 and I'm in at 46.50. For a put. Getting in at 46.50. And out for $50 on that one. Okay, 455.50. So I need to do a little math, get my next order out there. So we'll go 44. Throw it out there just in case it wants to shoot up there again. I don't even know if I captured that entry point on video. If I missed it, I apologize, but it shot up there so fast. But nonetheless, I know I got the exit. So, all right, I will pause. Have an order at 42.70 here for a call. Price needs to come down just a bit more. I'll keep an eye on it, but I'll pause. Have an order at 50.50. And I'm in at 50.50. Big mover here. See what it wants to do. See if it wants to come up a bit more. So out for a loss on that one of 20 bucks. Glad I didn't panic out. But now that one wasn't me. That was just a crazy move out of nowhere. I mean, look at these candles. Nice and small, nice and methodical. I mean, I guess that one was decent size. And then that one just kaploosh. Down it went. So market or me, that one was definitely the market. That entry point, there was nothing crazy about that at all. If the market just decided to completely flush. In fact, I'll pat myself a little bit on the back here and say I'm glad I didn't just completely panic out. As you know, that would have been a much bigger loss. And I don't even, what did I take on it? At 20 bucks, I think. Yeah, I was up 100. So just, yeah, crazy. All right, well, I will pause. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. So a wild day. So, and I'm going to keep with that title, me or the market. I'll let you decide. Was I just having a bad day? Was it just a difficult market to trade? I really don't know, and I'm still reflecting on it, but definitely quite grateful to come out green on a day like this, especially getting caught in that one flush move to the downside. But yeah, me or the market, like I said, give me your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. But yeah, some days go like this. Do I really want to post on YouTube? I definitely do not. I'd much rather be, posting a video where I look like I know what I'm doing and I look like everything's just beautiful, clear sailing. So no, I don't want to be putting this on YouTube, but here it is on YouTube. So if you appreciate the transparency, like I said, hit that like button and let me know down below, me or the market. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.